Good day to all seafarers joining us, and thank you for your attention to this official recruitment announcement. We are seeking an able seaman for service aboard a RORO vessel of 32,843 gross tons sailing under the Italian flag, with a salary of €3,100 net per month while on board, and with Social Security and pension fund contributions covered entirely by the owner, which means the amount you receive remains fully yours. The rotation is 4 months on board, followed by 1.5 months of leave at home, and we state clearly that no salary is paid during leave periods. Please note 2 essential requirements, namely basic knowledge of the Italian language and a valid Italian fiscal code, both mandatory for employment under this flag, together with valid seafarer documents and STCW certificates. If you meet these conditions and are ready to join, please send your CV to candinagroup.com. Thank you, and we hope to welcome you on board very soon.